We're at the train station.
We're in Seoul, and we're gonna take the
Train to Busan.
train to Busan.
Oh, isn't that the name of a movie?
Oh, it is. First thing Derek's doing when we got to the hotel in Busan, use toilet. And now take cock and take a drone. Let's go.
I think it needs probably gonna need an update before we are able to like fly it. Remove gimbal protector, slide battery.
This is the quote-unquote seaside view. I mean, I guess it's kind of cool seeing the harbor.
Oh my gosh, he's doing a thing.
Oh, it looks like a bug.
Right? Oh, agree.
What?
You have to register us.
Register.
Yeah. Do you want to use your email or my email? I really don't mind. Maybe it's easier on yours.
Okay. Do it. Whoa. Oh, it's so quiet.
Oh, it's hovering by itself.
Wow.
Oh, the pizza arrived. It's quite quick. Oh.
Now I'm gonna...
Oh, that's looking good.
Oh, it's got a name.
It's got a name?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Fallen.
Fallen.
Because the name of the place is Fallen Pasta.
Oh, it was super quick.
Yeah.
Everything was ordered like on the phone. Over there. This is the menu. And damn, that was so quick. Okay, well, shall we dig in? So?
Cool.
Nice.
Do you want to have nice one first or later?
It should all be nice.
This is the one with the most pepperoni.
I see. I really don't mind. Oh, it's back. It's coming back.
I'm just scared it's gonna... Oh.
Then got pasta. Oh, looking good.
Oh. Is this a bean?
It is a bean.
Right?
Yeah.
I thought it was a pepper or something.
Oh.
It's spicy.
The pasta.
I mean, said it would be, but oh, it's spicy.
I wonder how the spicy this can be. This is spicy
It said
pepperoni.
it would be spicy.
I hope it is spicy. It's quite oily. Whoa.
Spicy?
Oh, this pepperoni spicy. It's probably the spiciest thing I've had in Korea so far.
Really?
Yeah, this pepperoni's damn spicy, bro.
The spiciest thing we have is at the Western
Pizza and pasta place. Oh, it's spicy. Yo, where are we?
We're at Haedong Yonggongsa.
Oh, the dragon temple.
Yes. So we're now walking down to see the actual temple. We spent some time at the entrance taking some nice pics.
It's right on the ocean Oceanside.
Yes. Coastal side. That'll be
So-
very pretty.
Yeah.
A lot of people here. What about this guy?
The second guy is a bit zesty. Yeah. This guy over here. That's really cool.
Oh, would have been really nice with the drone.
Oh, if there was less wind.
Yeah.
What you gonna do now?
Throw a coin.
You've been dead.
Should I do 1 rand or 2 rand?
You got 2 attempts. I don't know. Choose
Okay.
one or the other.
1 rand. On.
Ben's gonna try and get it down there
Where should I?
in the
throw
bowl.
it?
There's 2 bowls.
Which one? Okay,
You got 2 attempts at 2 bowls. Tactical positioning happening. Yeah.
You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I don't know where it went. Where did it go?
Oh! That was so close. Oh, mine was so bad. For 2 rand.
Everyone's throwing Korean 1. Here we are throwing South African
Okay.
rands.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Did you get it?
Did you film it?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. I really don't know. I just kind of threw it and pushed.
Did you not get it? That was insane. It bounced off of it.
We're heading to Supper.
Yes.
There's a drone show later, but don't know if we're gonna go. We'll see.
Yeah. We'll see if we catch it. or not.
Yeah, we'll suss it out, but otherwise.
Min always cuts it off.
Well, I don't know when you're gonna speak. I was gonna show the back.
Oh, I see.
Well, I
Because your
can't-
camera
yeah.
can't.
Okay, well, there goes
I
say.
thought- We're gonna go for some crumb pork.
Yes, and udon.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording now. Oh, it's a kitten.
That was so cute. The guy was like playing with the cat initially.
Oh, it's a yum yum.
That's so cute. It is a piece of squid. You see
Yeah.
the tentacle.
자주 주세요? 자주 밥 주세요? 이게 지금 가자미예요? 뭐예요? 오징어예요? 상어예요? 광어. Oh no, it is.
Oh, it is a fish. Oh, okay.
Softer than they say yes. Oh, so nice.
Let's go. Thinking about it. Got a funky tail.
Probably extra.
Mm.
Oh, I was making biscuit.
It had a little spot here.
Yeah, scratching you and then touched my ass with his ass and then he left.
I like a little cat segment. Korean cats with me. No, we were looking at that one.
Hello.
Oh, this one's a little friendlier. Sort of. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Oh, there's a lady coming up. Oh. Little love bite, baby?
Yeah, it was very gentle.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Where's the other cat?
시험이 만점인데 만점 받으시면 양쪽 대형 인형에서 원하시는 거 가능하세요. 네, 그리고 이제 시작하기 앞서서 하나를 시작하면 도전 외쳐주고 있는 거예요. 하나, 둘, 셋, 도전!
We got the 7-1.
Oh, yes. Okay. Already done that one? Okay.
하죠? 어떻게 그러시네요.
Oh,
마지막.
hey.
되세요. 이거 이제
Ah, yes. Woo, well done. Yo. Your interview with the winner. How do you feel?
I didn't think I'll get anything.